Ever wonder how VacLab cleans up after a flower test? So I just finished with the DC-25, and you see some flour there. So I'm going to show you my normal routine of how I clean both sides of this carpet. So this is, and see, I've got flour stuck right there still. So to make sure that I get the carpet clean, got my G6 with the stiff oblique brush roll. I'm going to put it on setting 3. Alright, time for a visual inspection. So I'm looking right here, and there's no clogged pores, nothing whatsoever. The backing is clean. Now I need to get what's on the floor, and I will put this on setting 2 initially and see if that gets everything up. If I need to go down to a 1, I'll go down to a 1 briefly. Okay, that was on a 2, and I have some that's stuck. It's literally somewhat become affixed to the concrete, so I'll go down to a 1 briefly, and that'll get the rest of it up. There we go, and even the little pores that you see on the concrete are completely clean. There's nothing stuck in it at all. Now, I'll go ahead and clean the top of the carpet. And because this machine is so much fun to use, I'll put the tech drive on, set her at position 3, and I will do the whole carpet. And that's it. This carpet has now been reset for many other tests. Thanks for watching.